Welcome to our video on laughter yoga and its benefits. Have you heard of laughter yoga? It's a unique form of exercise that combines deep breathing and laughter to help you reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. During a laughter yoga session, participants engage in a series of laughter exercises and breathing techniques designed to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Not only is laughter yoga fun and enjoyable, but it also offers a range of physical and mental health benefits. For example, laughter yoga can help to reduce stress and anxiety levels, boost your immune system, and even improve your cardiovascular health by increasing blood flow and oxygenation. Laughter yoga is also a great way to connect with others and build social connections, which can have a positive impact on your mental health. So why not try incorporating laughter yoga into your fitness routine? You might just find that it's the perfect way to start your day on a positive and energizing note. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.